Wait, do you really want to sound natural when talking about food in English?
Then stay right here. This episode will change the way you speak forever.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Speak English Fluently.
Hi, guys. It's great to have you with us today. Thanks for tuning in.
I'm Adam.
And I'm Anna. Here, we help you learn real English through simple, everyday conversations.
Today, we've got a fun topic. We're talking about food and cooking.
But before we start, please make sure to like the video and subscribe. It supports the channel more than you think.
So, Anna, are you excited about today's conversation?
Absolutely. I love food and I love cooking even more. What about you, Adam?
Oh, same here. I'm always ready to talk about food.
Perfect. Let's get started.
Anna, what's your favorite kind of food?
I really love Mediterranean food.
Mediterranean. I like it too, especially salads.
Yes, the vegetables, olive oil, herbs, everything tastes so fresh.
Exactly. I also love grilled fish. It's healthy and delicious.
That's true. What about you, Adam?
I'm a big fan of Asian food. Noodles, stir-fry, sushi.
I knew it. You always mention sushi.
I could eat it every day.
Really? I couldn't eat sushi daily like you.
It's the freshness and texture I love the most.
I agree. But food is more than taste.
Yes, it also brings back memories.
Exactly. For me, soups my mom cooked remind me of winter mornings.
That's beautiful. My grandmother baked bread every Sunday.
Fresh bread smells amazing. I understand that feeling.
Food really connects us to people and moments.
And it shows culture, too. Every country has unique dishes.
True. Spices, ingredients, cooking styles, everything is different.
That's what makes trying new recipes so exciting.
Even if it doesn't turn out perfect, it's still fun.
Yes, I once burned something while trying a new recipe.
Me too, but mistakes teach you a lot.
And good habits grow from those mistakes.
Exactly. Now I prepare everything before cooking.
Me too. It makes cooking much easier.
And cleaning while cooking saves a lot of stress later.
Absolutely. A clean kitchen makes cooking enjoyable.
Anna, do you try new recipes often?
Yes, I rarely follow a recipe 100%.
Me too. I like experimenting with flavors.
Cooking is like a creative playground.
Yes, each dish tells a story.
And sharing food makes it even better.
I agree. Cooking for friends or family is special.
It's like giving a piece of yourself.
Anna, let's talk about cooking methods today.
Yes, I love this topic.
How often do you cook at home?
Almost every day, Adam.
Wow, that's impressive. I cook less often.
Why? Are you too busy?
Sometimes, yes. Other times, I'm just lazy.
That's normal. Cooking can be tiring.
True, but it's also fun when you enjoy it.
Exactly. I find cooking very relaxing.
Anna, which cooking method do you enjoy most?
I love baking. It feels magical.
Baking is amazing. The smell is the best.
Yes, when cookies or bread come out of the oven, wow.
For me, stir-frying is my favorite.
Fast and healthy, right?
Exactly. You get a meal in minutes.
And it's so flexible. You can add anything.
Vegetables, meat, noodles, whatever you like.
Yes, and spices make it even better.
Speaking of spices, which ones do you use often?
Cumin, turmeric, chili flakes.
I usually use garlic, ginger, and paprika.
Those are essential. They create amazing flavor.
Do you follow recipes strictly or experiment?
I like experimenting. Recipes are just guides.
Same here. I change things to suit my taste.
Mistakes happen, but they're part of learning.
Yes, I remember one time I burned chicken.
Oh no, what happened?
I left it too long on high heat.
Classic mistake. I've done that too.
We all have kitchen disasters.
True. They make cooking more fun later.
Anna, do you prepare ingredients before cooking?
Always. It saves time and stress.
I do that too now. It makes everything smoother.
And cleaning while cooking helps a lot.
Yes, a clean kitchen keeps me motivated.
Do you ever use frozen ingredients?
Yes, sometimes. They're convenient.
I use frozen vegetables a lot.
Frozen spinach and peas are lifesavers.
Exactly, and herbs can be frozen too.
Good tip. I'll try that.
It keeps flavor fresh for longer.
Anna, do you enjoy trying new recipes often?
Yes, it's exciting to discover new flavors.
Even if they fail, it's a fun experience.
Absolutely. Mistakes teach more than successes.
Do you have a funny kitchen story?
Yes, I once made pizza with raw pasta sheets,
That must have been hard.
like eating bricks. Everyone pretended it was good.
I have one too. I once made rice volcano.
Rice volcano? Tell me.
I added too much water and it overflowed everywhere.
Kitchen disasters are the best stories.
Yes, they teach patience and respect for cooking.
And they make the next successful dish taste better.
Exactly. That's why habits matter in cooking.
Preparation, timing, cleaning, all important.
And knowing your ingredients is key too.
Yes, every vegetable and spice has its personality.
Like onions need time, garlic burns fast.
Mushrooms release water, carrots cook slowly. Details matter.
Exactly. And mastering these makes cooking enjoyable. Anna, let's talk about ingredients.
Yes, Adam. Ingredients are the heart of cooking.
Exactly. Even a great cook needs good ingredients.
I once made a salad with bad vegetables.
Oh no. How did it taste?
Not good, like sadness on a plate.
That's a strong description.
I learned to choose vegetables carefully.
Same here. I check color, texture, and smell.
A fresh tomato smells amazing.
And a bad tomato smells like regret.
I also check herbs before buying.
Yes, fresh herbs can change a whole dish.
Do you prefer fresh or frozen ingredients?
Both. Frozen vegetables are convenient.
I keep frozen spinach and peas in the freezer.
Great idea. I do the same with herbs.
Freezing preserves flavor for a longer time.
Exactly. And spices are very important too.
Yes, they completely change the flavor.
A little cumin or paprika makes a huge difference.
I always smell my spices before using them.
Good tip. Old spices lose their aroma.
And spices don't always mean heat,
True. Some spices are gentle and warm.
like cinnamon or turmeric.
Exactly. Garlic and ginger are my favorites.
They are essential in almost every dish.
Do you experiment with new spices?
Yes, I love trying unusual spices sometimes.
Even if it doesn't taste perfect, it's fun.
Yes, mistakes teach you more than successes.
Do you have a story about spices?
Once I used old curry powder. The dish was bland.
That happens to me too.
Now I always check freshness before cooking.
Good habit. Ingredients matter so much.
Fresh vegetables, herbs, spices, they make a difference.
Even small details change the final flavor.
Yes, and understanding each ingredient helps a lot.
Onions need time, garlic burns fast, mushrooms release water.
Carrots cook slowly, and peppers need high heat.
Exactly. Every ingredient has its personality.
And the cook is the author of the story.
I love that idea. Cooking is storytelling.
Yes, and spices are the colors in the story.
A dish with good ingredients is always better.
Even simple meals taste amazing with fresh food.
Absolutely, Anna. Now, let's talk about our favorite dishes.
Yes, I love this topic.
What's your absolute favorite dish to cook?
Homemade lasagna.
Ooh, lasagna. That's classic.
Yes, and I love making it from scratch.
Even the layers and cheese?
Exactly. Every layer matters.
How long does it take to prepare?
About 2 hours if I do everything.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yes, but it's like therapy for me.
I understand. Cooking can be relaxing.
And the smell while baking is amazing.
For me, it's chicken stir fry.
Fast and tasty, right?
Yes, vegetables, chicken, spices, simple.
I like stir fry too. Quick meals are great.
Do you ever cook Asian dishes, Anna?
Sometimes I like noodles and fried rice.
And do you follow recipes strictly?
No, I usually experiment.
Same here. I change ingredients often.
Mistakes happen, but they're fun.
Yes, I remember burning a chicken once.
Oh no, what happened?
Left it too long on high heat.
Classic mistake. I've done that too.
Cooking teaches patience and attention.
Yes, and sharing meals makes it better.
Absolutely. I enjoy cooking for friends.
Me too. It's like giving a gift.
Do you have a funny cooking story?
Yes, once I made pizza with uncooked pasta sheets.
Oh, that must have been hard.
Like eating bricks. Everyone pretended it was good.
I once made a rice volcano.
Rice volcano? Tell me.
I added too much water. It overflowed.
Oh no, kitchen disasters are the best stories.
They teach you a lot.
And make the next dish taste amazing.
Anna, do you like trying new recipes often?
Yes, it's exciting to discover flavors.
Even if they fail, it's a fun experience.
Absolutely. Mistakes are part of learning.
Do you use frozen ingredients sometimes?
Yes, for convenience.
Frozen vegetables save time.
And herbs too. Freezing preserves flavor.
Great tip. I'll try that.
Spices matter too. Fresh spices taste better.
Absolutely. I love garlic and ginger.
They're essential in most dishes.
Do you have a tip for beginners?
Start simple and enjoy the process.
Yes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Cooking is about having fun.
Exactly. And sharing your meals is special.
Agreed. Food connects people.
Well, Anna, that was a lot of fun today.
Yes, Adam. I really enjoyed talking about food and cooking.
I hope our listeners learned new words and ideas.
And had fun hearing our funny kitchen stories.
Remember, cooking is about enjoying the process.
Yes, don't worry about mistakes. They make you better.
And trying new recipes keeps things exciting.
Exactly. Each dish tells a story.
If you liked this episode, please like the video.
And subscribe to Speak English Fluently for more real conversations.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
Take care, keep practicing, and cook with joy.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.